In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money on Revolut anonymously. Step-by-step guide. Before we dive in, a quick reality check. Revolut is a regulated financial service and follows strict verification rules. That means full anonymity isn't possible. What you can do, though, is minimize the personal information you share with recipients while staying compliant. I'll walk you through 3 practical approaches to keep your details as private as the platform allows. Let's start with a Revolut to Revolut transfer. Open the app and take a moment to review your profile settings. Make sure your display name is how you want it to appear, and consider limiting what's visible in your profile, like hiding your phone number from discovery where available. When you're ready, tap Transfers, choose the recipient, enter the amount, and keep the note generic if you don't want to reveal context. You can also use a payment link instead of sharing your phone or contact details directly. The recipient will see the name you've set, not your card or account numbers. Double check the recipient before sending, and consider enabling in-app security features like disposable virtual cards and confirmation prompts for added control. Next, send via a third-party wallet. The idea here is to fund a reputable wallet using your Revolut card or bank transfer, then pay the recipient through that wallet using a handle, username, or QR code. This keeps your phone number and bank details out of the exchange with the recipient. Keep in mind, most wallets also require verification, and fees or limits may apply. Review processing times, refund policies, and any cross-border or currency conversion costs before you commit. If you're using a virtual card to fund the wallet, that can add an extra layer of privacy and reduce exposure if the merchant or wallet is compromised. Finally, send via a third-party wallet again, but with a slightly different flow. Have the recipient generate a payment request or invoice inside their wallet. You pay that request using your Revolut virtual or disposable card, and the wallet credits them on their side. In this setup, the recipient typically sees the wallet as the payer rather than your underlying card details. As always, verify the wallet's reputation, read the fees, and confirm whether chargebacks or disputes could affect you. To wrap up, keep transfers lawful, avoid sharing more personal data than necessary, and store confirmations for your records. These methods won't make you invisible, but they help you send money with greater privacy while following the rules.